guys, today I am tell you about new module POS order Layby. So first of all, go to the apps and install Layby order module. This is the POS order in Layby module. It is also installed in our system. Now I am telling you what is the Layby. Layby is a system of paying a deposit to secure an article for later purchase. Reserve order and product with paying some amount and then confirm when pay full amount. So this is the functionality of Layby. So go to the actual functionality. So start the POS session and create a POS order. Select two product and payment for this order, but you can pay only 400 rupees for and reserve this order. So for that, click on Layby. But here warning is occur. You need to select the customer before you can create a order on account. So here you can select customer. Here your customer is selected now. So go for a reserve order. Then click on Layby and next order. Your Layby order is reserved. So go to the point of sale and orders, and you can say here Layby order. So your reserve order is so here. This is your reserve order of two products, and you can pay amount of 400 for this order. Remaining is payment is 485. So click on payment and here you can see the payable amount display here, and you can make payment, and this is order is confirmed, and this order is go to the main orders, and this is our confirmed order. So this is all about Layby orders. Thanks for watching this video.